Hi there, very good morning. Welcome back to ET Now. You're watching Buy Now, Sell Now live from SBI Live Studios with me, Kanishka and Kavita. Well, before we get started with all the queries, a quick look at a recent market debutant which has made its debut on the exchanges just today. It's PhysicsWallah, and a stellar listing is what we have seen. A 38% of uptick is what we are seeing on the stock. And today, to understand what's the outlook for the company going forward, we are now joined by Prateek Maheshwari, the co-founder and whole-time director at PhysicsWallah. Hi, Prateek. Very good morning. Thank you so much for joining us today. And first of all, many congratulations on the listing. Right. Well, let's get started, and now we'll talk about.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Right. We'll just start by talking about how you're looking to, utilize the proceeds of this IPO. If you could just give us a detailed, quarterly breakup of how you're going to deploy these IPO proceeds, particularly the capex for new centers. Just some brief over there, if you could give us.
So, 60 to 70 centers we are opening, fresh centers in next and next quarter. Total 200 centers we will be opening in next 3 years. So, that is capex side of thing, offline side of things. Online is already profitable, so we don't need much capital to deploy to grow online. But the focus there to grow in 11 different Indic languages, as well as reach to every corner of India.
Right, Prateek, hi, Kavita joining in. So definitely, you're a major edtech player out here, but I also want to understand in terms of upgrading and upskilling. Now, your online presence is very strong. Now, having said that, in terms of quality measures, in terms of sector competition measures, what is the next step or strategy that you might want to lay down now?
So, already all the strategies are in place. This month we have launched our own, OTT platform with the name of Pi. 1st of November we have launched that. And as a strategy, we have kept the pricing very unique. It will improve even more access of education in the country. That is, we have priced it at 300 rupees per month. At the same time, Power Batch and Curious Junior continue to be our premium products. And these premium products is a small cohort two-way communication online classroom, which is again growing at an exponential rate. So while we are making education affordable, we are bringing more premium courses for our students.
Understood. So more premium courses coming up, but that online vertical, of course, remains profitable. So just wanted to understand what is the revenue split that you're looking forward to as far as the highly profitable only online offering is concerned and the offline and hybrid centers. If you could give us, a guidance for the next 3 to 5 years, what kind of revenue split is what we are expecting?
So current revenue split is 52% online and 48% offline. Moving forward, this shift will tilt from from offline to online. So online will grow at a much faster rate than my offline business. By FY28, by FY30, we are expecting 55% online revenues and 45% offline revenues.
So let's just elaborate a little more, Prateek, on the offline presence. What are the centers you're looking at in terms of region specific also, and what's the upgrade situation out there that you're looking at or planning?
So a lot of expansion is coming from existing city expansion, as well as offline, is very much linked to online. 80% of my offline admissions happens through online. So wherever I become stronger in terms of number of students, my paid learners, their learning engagement hours and results, I just go open my offline learning center. But online has a clear focus to win South India, to win 11 different Indic languages. But online, we will continue to expand the existing cities and the adjacent cities.
And apart from that, Prateek, beyond the existing competitive exams that you help with, JEE, NEET, any two major growth categories that you have identified that are likely going to contribute significantly to your revenue stream?
So grade 9 to 12th state boards as exam categories is a focus area for the company. Again, that to happen in Indic languages. That is, last year we have launched 7 different state boards, UP board, Bihar board, Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan board, MP board, so that is our, we have seen a significant growth in terms of our paid enrollments in our state board, as well as continue to have the same strategy while we double down our efforts on premium courses like Curious Junior and Power Batch, and recently launched our affordable OTT learning platform, which is Pi.
Sure. All right. Thank you so much, Prateek. That's all the time we have on the show today. But thank you so much and congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. With that, it's time to slip into a short break. But then for you, more market updates coming and stock-specific action and discussion after this break.